This is Algebra 2 CST release question number 59. It says a student showed the following steps in his solution of the equation below, but his answer, dun dun dun, was not correct. Oh no. Okay, so let's see. We've got log base 5 of this whole quantity, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, minus log base 5 of x minus 1, plus log base 5 of 125 equals 6. Okay, so that's our initial equation. Can you break this down like this? So let's see if from here to here, was that correct? If you are thinking of foiling this back out, this would be negative x, and this would be negative 2x. You put these two things together and you get negative 3x, so that seems good. Negative 1 times negative 1 would be positive 1. 2x times x would be 2x squared, and so that at least seems good. Let's see what we have here. This didn't change at all. And then this is the same thing right here as saying that 5 to some unknown power equals 125. That unknown power, it looks like they thought was 3. Is it in fact 3? Well, yes, because 5 to the third power does in fact equal 125. So that seems good too. So step 1, seems like there's no mistakes there. Step 2, looks like they just brought that down. It's the same exact thing. Looks like here the only thing they've done here is subtract 3 from both sides, get that to cancel, and that's a 3 right there. So step 2 seems legit to me. There is an incorrect step here, so step 1, not step 1, not step 2, step 3 or 4. Let's see which one we got. And so what do we have left here? It looks like, what have they done here? So we've got step 3, log base 5 of 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. We've got that left over here. Okay, so I see what they're doing here. Let's go back to 53. We're using this law of logarithms where we've got a product here of two things. We can say that's one plus the other one. And so let's apply that to this problem here. So what we're saying here is that this thing altogether is equivalent to log base 5 of 2x minus 1. It's the product of 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So it's that plus log base 5 of x minus 1. And so these two things are equivalent. This is equivalent to this. So let's think of this going away, and we'll use this in place of that. With that in place of that, we would have the log base 5 of x minus 1 canceling out with the log base 5 of x minus 1 here, because we have a positive value of that thing here and a negative value of that thing here. So this would go away, meaning that this particular thing is what I should see right here. But is that what I see? No, I'm missing the 2x right here. So this should have, or should be, log base 5 of 2x minus 1 equals 3. And so which step did he make his first error? We don't really need to check any of this other stuff. It might actually be true. We'd have 5 to the third power equals this number. 5 to the third is 125. And so that would be correct, and that would be good there. But this right here should have been a 2x and not a single x. So step 3 is definitely the correct choice. Choice C for number 59.